Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best portable camping showers. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5 we have the RinseKit Portable Outdoor Shower. If you want an innovative transportable tenting bath, then appearance no further than the RinseKit Portable Outdoor Shower. It is a multifunction camping essential that is not simply beneficial at some point of tenting trips, however also top-notch for laundry your pets, watering plant life, or even fuse as a dry sack for storing small objects. It generates a pressurized spray up to 3 minutes. With that said, anticipate this outside shower to present you the results you're searching out. It has a 2-gallon pressure chamber, which consists of sufficient water for maximum delight. Furthermore, its take care of may be folded for one-handed carrying, and its lid is incredible clean to dispose of for final comfort. The out-of-doors bathe also functions as spray nozzle with up to 7 one-of-a-kind settings. Its hose is 6 lengthy for a convenient bathing experience. Considering how this camping shower is designed, you may have zero troubles filling it with water. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Iron Hammer Portable Camping Shower. We are thrilled with the unique layout of this electric portable tenting shower. That's why we regard it as one of the best. It comes geared up with a 4800 mAh rechargeable battery that makes it notable, reliable and really handy to apply. Besides, this out-of-doors camping shower meets the FCC and RoHS necessities well. This could give you peace of thoughts knowing that it is a great and safe product. Its smart design has 2 water flow stalls conversion button that makes it a super washing stress. The portable camping shower is good for laundry, pets, washing cars, watering gardens, and indoor out-of-doors showering. It is compact and lightweight. Accordingly, it may be easier carried on your luggage, backpack or automobile trunk. In addition, the unit is simple to disassemble, fee, and clean. Its water resistant score is IPX7. That is top notch. Ideally, it has a low battery indicator, mild, so that it will warn you whilst the battery electricity is going for walk slow. At number 3 we have the KingCamp Solar Shower 20 litre/5 gallon. Everything approximately this portable camping bathe is exquisite. First, it is from KingCamp, one of the producers that produce top-class first-rate tenting tools. Second, it's far versatile on account that it smiles top-notch now, not only for camping however also emergencies. Furthermore, the portable camping bathe is fantastically smooth to use. That stated, definitely fill it with water and then lay it on a flat floor, even as exposing the again to direct daylight. The water gets warm, making bathing outside unforgettable. This outdoor transportable bathe is made with a sturdy manage for dependable carrying and striking. This method you may grasp it for your changing tenting tent or tie it on a tree branch. It may be very smooth to fill, and this is due to the huge filling valve that capabilities a twist off cap. This camping gear has a 5.28 gallon potential, which consists of enough water for a couple of showers. At number 2 we have the Zodi Hot Tap Travel Shower. When you've got the Zodi Hot Tap Travel Shower, then you will have hot showers anywhere, anytime. It measures 15 inches wide with the aid of 10 inches high with the aid of 10 inches deep. Plus its temperature can be adjusted up to 100 ranges Fahrenheit. As such, count on to have the excellent bathing reviews while you are far away from home. Its 4-gallon capability holds sufficient water for a 10-minute bathe. This way you may be capable of revel in your tub. Still, on enjoying your bathtub, there is an 8-foot hose that comes with a shower head. This unit can be attached to a 5-gallon propane tank or a 16 4-ounce propane cylinder. Its 6-volt pump is very effective and has debris display screen, which enables it to deliver super water pressure. The whole device is compact for smooth storage and transportation. This unit is notable for looking, emergencies, boating, and family camping. And finally, at number 1 we have the Camplux 10 Outdoor Portable Propane Gas Water Heater. This Camplux water heater comes with all the belongings you need to ensure which you are capable of getting excellent out of them. It comes with a CSA authorized fuel regulator in addition to required adapters. Moreover, this tankless fuel water heater is compact and really lightweight, so you can store and bring it with a great deal ease. Plus it's far ready with 11.5% power saving generation to provide you peace of thoughts knowing that you will no longer component with lots of coins to hold it. The system can provide highest quality energy output of 68,000 BTU according to our. As such, you may get an endless supply of water wherever you're. Camplux has blanketed anti-freezing safety and overheating protection to make certain that your protection isn't on the line. This unit additionally works terrific with Camplux 12 1.6 GPM water pump. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this portable camping showers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.